Hey everyone, this is Monami Frost and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today, as you can see, I am dressed in blue and I'm going to be doing a makeup look, but I'm also going to be eating while doing a makeup look. And today I'm eating Frost burgers. Ordered some Frost burgers and was hungry, and we have some new stuff that launched and I was thought that it would be cool to talk about it while I do the makeup. So yeah, so let's see what we got. I got a new vacation burger. It's called Vacation because we all are in need of a vacation right now, but that's the closest thing we can offer at Frost Burgers. So got some fries, got some sauce to go with fries. This is the new Baconaise. Got some frostbite also and some sauce for the frostbite. Also, I got this shake, one of the ultimate shakes that we recently launched as well, called the Tropical Freeze. It tastes divine. Okay, so today I'm doing a makeup, trying to eat, trying to do makeup, and trying to talk about some new things happening at Frost Burgers because I'm going to be eating Frost Burgers and doing a makeup look, a blue makeup look, as you can tell. Super excited. I love doing like simple colored makeup, the thing that I did last time, the red for Valentine's Day, and I had seen some nice blue pieces of clothing and I was like, I really want to do some blue makeup. You can tell that by my lights that I'm doing blue today. First of all, let me show you the burger. How it looks insane. I'm so excited to eat it. This is gonna be hard to eat and do makeup. So I'll start with the base. Usually don't do a lot of foundation, but today I feel like doing some foundation. First I will go in with the concealer. I'm going to be using the Illamasqua. This is gonna be a disaster for people that don't like chewing sounds. Illamasqua concealer. This is in L2. So yeah, today we launched the new burger, this Vacation. We've been wanting to launch it for so long because we changed the patties, the chicken patties that we've been using, and these are incredible. These are so crispy and crunchy and just all together divine, and they taste all the chicken free burgers really tasty, and I think like definitely could fool a meat eater. I'm gonna go in with Illamasqua Skin Base Foundation and just a little bit apply. I'm always using my hands just because I don't have time. But I like adding foundation and concealer with hands. Sometimes it might be a little bit smudgy and not that all perfectly even, but it's okay. And now having nails also, it's making things harder to apply makeup with hands actually. Hadn't had nails for so long, but these are just press-ons. Obviously, nail salons are closed. Everything is closed in England. That's why my roots are so wild as well. There are much more important things than getting hair and nails done. Tiny spots. It was just on my period. So sometimes I still get like tiny spots around my chin on my period. Foundation is done. Let me get some fry. Have this garlic mayo. That's like the best selling mayo out at Frost Burgers. So freaking good. Recently I've been using this melt stack, the contour stack for the contouring. I'm just using this shade in a medium dark. Gonna use this on my cheekbones. Just with this brush from Rogue & Rogue. I always start with the base. Sometimes I can't tell, like there are people that like do the eyes first, and it's so strange for me because I always feel like I need to go around the eyes, and I'm like, how do you do that? How do you go around? A little bit on my forehead, Melt is definitely one of my favorite brands. Like, I love Melt. I even use my fingers sometimes to contour my nose. I don't even know if it's straight or not. It's been crazy how like long it took for us to launch these shakes. These are the shakes that we launched. Next level badass plant-based shakes, and there we have as well build your own shakes. Have a lot of ingredients that you can blend and a lot of ingredients that you can top your shakes with, like the whipped cream and the ingredients on top and stuff. It's bomb. Let me get some highlighter using Melt Stargazer. Seriously, this shake tastes like the Solero ice cream, if you've had it before. Highlight on my nose. Took forever to get everything set up. It always does. Like, things behind the scenes take a long time. It's not just throwing together some ingredients always. Always more than that. Like setting up, we had to set up the whole new system on Deliveroo and everything, because we sell these separately as well as a kind of dessert place. Eating fries as well. Okay, need to concentrate on my look. Do my eyebrows, that's gonna take forever, right? Using the KVD Brow Struck in dark brown. And KVD brush as well. Have you guys seen that KVD has rebranded their new kind of logo and ethos and stuff like that? So glad they're still like promoting vegan products and vegan beauty and everything. So that's like kudos. Whenever I'm filming, like my mirror is so far away from me. When I do it myself, like without camera, like my mirror is so close, and like I can like, especially with eyebrows, be super close up and like see everything. Sorry, I'm not talking while I'm doing my eyebrows. I'm like trying to concentrate. So yeah, today we launched the new burger Vacation, which I need to have a bite of. It's a chicken-free burger with bacon on top, and there's like crispy onions and some baconaise sauce that we make in-house ourselves, and lettuce, tomato. This is gonna take forever. So busy eating and chewing, I forgot adding the KVD Walnut Super Brow Pomade, just to kind of straighten out the ends. I sometimes think about like trying to get my brows to be fluffy, but my brows are not that fluffy, and they're not as thick, so I don't think I can pull that off, and I think for me it looks strange. I love how it looks on so many people. Fluffy brows just seem odd to me. If someone could fix my brows and make them look real nice, that would be a thing. Have you seen that the skinny one line brow is coming back? Can you believe that? Coming back as a trend. This is why that's one of the reasons why I didn't want to microblade my brows, because I was thinking, what if there will be like another new trend or other trends, and like in 20 years like these brows aren't gonna look good, even though like I can't imagine not doing these kind of brows and doing like other brows, but still, you know, like when these would be considered completely unacceptable. You never know, like way in the future when I'm old. Obviously could technically apply that to tattoos of course as well, but tattoos just look great. And I kind of like the draw eyebrow look. I think I am good for brows. What do you think? Probably just a little bit rushed, but it's fine. Let's try the nugget. These are new nuggets as well that we introduced. Look at that, looks nice. Sauce. Also, anyone concerned about the plastic, it's not real plastic. It's like actually a compostable plastic that is made from plants. It's plant plastic, and these straws are paper straws. Everything we have at Frostburgers, like wrapping and everything, is either made from recycled materials or plant plastics or recyclable materials also. Sorry for making you hungry. Onto the eyes. I'm super excited to use this. Look at this beautiful palette. It's from Melt Cosmetics Blueprint. I haven't used it before. I had a stack of the Melt Cosmetics Blueprint, but it kind of like crushed while in transit and stuff. This is what I'm using today. Let's try. I think I'll just use the blue shades. I also have these gel liners. Yes, blue gel liners that I will be using. Also have these pencils. I'll use this eyeliner. This shade is called Montauk. The other is Neptune. I'll use the Montauk one. Now we'll apply it all over my lid. That's what I always do. Like, just do like full bold monotone eye. Then I will go over it with some eyeshadow. Take this Nabla Cosmetics brush. I'll go in with the Deadbolt or King Stud. King Stud probably I should go in. So I'm packing that on there. Okay, let's hope it's not gonna go all over the place. Oh man, looks so beautiful. Don't you think? Don't you think? Take this brush. This is Nabla Cosmetics Precision brush. Take the dim out. I'm just gonna go over around the crease. Try to smoke that out a little bit. Use this brush again. I'm not good with using like 5 million different brushes, because like I just use what kind of works for me, but I can make it work. Trying to eat here and do this. I always keep forgetting to eat. I'll take the Deadbolt. Take that as a smoking out color because it is a bit lighter. I don't know what I'm doing really. I'm just winging it here. Never practiced any of my looks outside of camera. I think this is kind of actually really good as it is. I don't know what I'm trying to even do here. If I add more, it's just gonna mess the look up. I'll go in with the inner corner a bit more. And then we have this. Okay, I'll first finish the other eye. Vacation. Adding King Stud on top of that eyeliner, eye pencil. Smoke it out, the dim out. We'll use that. Kind of smoking it out, okay? I'm going for it, little bit smoking it out with the dim out shadow. I think I should also add it to the bottom lid. Maybe just use the Deadbolt on the bottom lid using the same brush, so it might still be a little bit darker. I like this look so much. I like the simple one color, one shade looks, and then get dressed in all just that one color. I think it looks so nice. We have one more try. Just cleaning up a little bit of mess. Even though at the start I said I don't know why people put eyes first, do eyes first. Now I kind of understand. Sometimes this happens, but still I find it weird doing the concealer around my eye look. Okay, I found this brush, I don't know where it's from. Go in with this liner, it's called Steel Reflect Gel Liner. See how this turns out. And I'm not doing black eyeliner. I feel like it looks exactly the same. Yeah, I feel like it looks exactly the same as the... But at least I can make a wing out of this. Hope so. Yes, I can. Oh, I'm super excited about this look now. I could do the same on this side. Am I the only one, or my eyeliner always turns out different on both sides? And then I just try and end up matching them, trying to match them. This kind of looks like I have a massive eyeliner now. I have to take a couple of calls. Sorry. So I think this look is turning out to just look like I have a massive eyeliner, but it's fine. It looks good, I guess. I don't know, maybe I just think that. I will use the KVD mascara on my lashes. Now I need to add some lashes. These simple wispy ones. What do you think? I guess these will work. Still trying to eat and do everything while I'm eating. Putting eyelash glue, using House of Lashes eyelash glue. I'm not sure what are these lashes. Let's find what I'm gonna do for my lips. Doing this, this is the glue by Black Moon Cosmetics. Just a simple nude. Guess my lips are fine. Let's put some eyelashes there, otherwise they're gonna dry out. Already drying. Kind of on. Let's put the other one on. Lashes are on. Lipstick is on. Makeup is done. Is it? I'm not done with food. I'll probably finish it off a bit later. But yeah, it was super fun to film this video. I hope you enjoyed my blue look. Love it. I love how it looks. Okay, everybody, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this look. You enjoyed watching me eat. And yeah, give me a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Take another bite.